Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see the listening history in your Spotify. So to do this, you just need to open your Spotify on your desktop. And then here, as you can see, I've already opened it. And what you need to do next is go to the Q menu at the bottom, this one right here. Just click on this and then this is the Q option, but you need to go to the recently played tab. Just click on this and then your listening history will be appear here. As you can see, this is my listening history. So just like that, it's so easy and I think you can follow it right away. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can see your listening history on Spotify. Okay, if you got any question, feel free to drop it in the comment and don't forget to click the thumbs up icon if you like the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye.